This is the most powerful and stylish laptop on the planet. The MSI Raider 18HX is the true combination of strength and beauty. Why is that? Let's have a look. Starting from the outlook, the MSI Raider 18HX has a decent but elegant black and red classic two-tone design. Added to the exclusive Mystic light bar and RGB logo, it is just stylish. In terms of I/O ports, the Raider 18HX provides the most comprehensive connectivity. First, on the right-hand side comes with two Thunderbolt 4 ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, and an audio combo jack that supports high-res audio. The right Thunderbolt 4 also supports up to 140-watt PD 3.1 charging. On the other side, we have an SD card reader, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A, and a Kensington lock. The rear has an HDMI 2.1 port that supports up to 8K resolution 60 Hz, an RJ45 port that provides a stable connection, and a DC in port. There's also a camera shutter that protects your privacy. Remember to plug the adapter in before you turn on the laptop for the first time, so you can disengage the shipping mode. Press the power button to turn on the laptop. The LED on the power button indicates if the laptop is using a discrete GPU. When it's using a discrete GPU, the LED turns from white to orange color. What next? The display. Nothing to say. It is just a masterpiece. The Raider 18HX is equipped with the world ever first 18-inch 4K mini LED 120Hz display. It is just seriously buttery smooth. It's also VESA certified display HDR 1000, meaning it has a peak brightness of 1000 and it also covers 100% DCI P3 color gamut. Adds on with the Kalman Vertified and MSI exclusive True Color technology that just brings it to a whole new level. The most important and only thing you need to know is that Raider 18HX provides the best and most seamless visual experience on a laptop. Now, let's slightly move down a little bit to the keyboard. The Raider 18HX provides a per-key RGB keyboard by SteelSeries. Especially 65% enlargement of the direction and number keys makes them join the full-size family. Now each press feels more intuitive and comfortable. You can see that there are F1 to F12 hotkeys on top of the keyboard. By default, they work as F1 to F12, but if you hold the function and escape key, the default function will be toggled between each other. You could identify the default function status by checking the escape key LED lighting. Pressing the function key and up, down, right, or left key can also display different items, such as cooler boost or crosshair. There's one more highlight we would like to share on the keyboard side, which is the fingerprint sensor. You could skip this complicated process and log in faster with simply a touch. When talking about the keyboard, SteelSeries needs an exclusive introduction. You could customize every key in SteelSeries GG software with 16.8 million colors. Personalize your lighting and create the gaming atmosphere that most suits you. How do we do that? By entering Prism in the SteelSeries engine, you could use the default mode we designed for you in the settings or customize it to your own. For instance, WASD is important for gamers, so we specifically adjust WASD into different colors for better visibility. Or you can just simply turn the lighting off. You could also customize the matrix light bar and RGB logo on your own. It's simple. Select the parts you'd like to control and choose a mode, lighting and effects. Or make up the lighting by choosing any color you like. You can also simply turn the lighting off if you wish to game in darkness. Also, SteelSeries integrates with many software, such as apps that allow lighting to wave along the music or display your ammo or HP with lighting in games such as CSGO. Leave the professions to SteelSeries. What's more, macro keys are essential elements that must be introduced. You could also fully customize every macro key in the SteelSeries GG software that best fits your user scenario or game settings. Besides gaming, SteelSeries GG can also optimize your gaming sound effects too. On the Sonar page, you can optimize your sound in different scenarios. Like in-game settings, there are optimized corresponding equalizers for individual games. By selecting them, you can hear the voice and steps more clearly, win more easily in games or on the battlefield. Next, the inner beauty. If you look inside, the Raider 18HX provides an excellent Cooler Boost 5 thermal module, which makes it one of the most powerful laptops with the extra help of 3D stands for enhanced airflow to achieve better performance. Raider 18HX provides 4 DDR5 memory, the maximum 192 gigabytes. It is also the first time for Raider to come with such a powerful and large number of memory. Raider can release the full power of multitasking no matter if you're in heavy load games, 3D graphic design, video editing, and so on. You can also feel the high performance in every scenario. Raider also comes with an awesome audio solution with a total of 6 speakers, including 4 speakers plus 2 woofers by world-class Dyne Audio. With the extra help of Dynamic and Hi-Res, bring you an immersive experience while gaming, listening to music, watching videos, etc. The latest Intel Core i9-14900HX processor sets up Raider 18HX stands alone with its supersized power design in the laptop arena. In addition, the Raider 18HX is equipped with the powerful NVIDIA RTX 4090 and 4080 laptop GPU, which are powered by the ultra-efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, plus the help of ray tracing and DLSS 3.5, which delivers a quantum leap in both performance and AI-powered graphics. DLSS 3.5 is NVIDIA's improved technology using AI for better image quality in ray tracing scenes, combined with the exclusive MSI Overboost Ultra technology. Raider 18HX delivers up to 175 watts of graphic power, plus an additional 75 watts from the CPU, which is an astonishing 250 watts of full power in total. Remember to go to the MSI Center User Scenario tab and switch the GPU to discrete mode to unleash and enjoy the full condition of the Overboost technology. What's the know-how of discrete mode? By default, the Raider 18HX is running in NVIDIA Optimus mode, which automatically switches between integrated graphics and discrete graphics depending on the task. However, the discrete graphics needs to go through integrated graphics in Optimus mode, which might lead to performance loss. With MSI's discrete graphics mode, we can fully release the graphics power and experience the highest performance, or select integrated graphics mode to acquire the longest battery life. Wi-Fi is also another great feature we would like to share with you. The Raider 18HX offers the next era in wireless technology, Wi-Fi 7. You can experience accelerated connectivity with ultra-low latency, higher bandwidths, and multi-link operation, all in one with Wi-Fi 7. We not only game on Raider 18HX, but we also present very on-trend AI solutions, how it reshapes the way we work and live. Say goodbye to brainstorming fatigue and generate images directly on Raider 18HX with MSI AI Artist. Create and inspire at a whole new level. Furthermore, with MSI AI Engine on Raider 18HX, it can detect user scenarios and automatically adjust hardware settings to achieve the best performance. You get to focus on the important things like gaming, creating, working, and entertainment. If you want to know more about MSI AI Artist or AI Engine, please check out other videos on our channel for more detailed introductions. MSI Center allows you to unleash the full potential of your laptop. If you use the MSI Center for the first time, it provides several preset profiles for you to select due to different scenarios. If you feel your laptop is not in good shape, we can always adjust manually in the User Scenario tab to switch the mode to extreme performance. Change the mode in the MSI Center, or you can also switch the performance mode by pressing the F7 hotkey. If you wish to unlock the full performance of the laptop, click the settings on the right of the extreme performance to adjust the core clock offset, or VRAM clock offset. You can also customize the fan speed to fit your user's scenario on the right. I'll leave the rest for you to explore. There's so much more that you can do within MSI Center. After a thorough introduction, you get to know that the MSI Raider 18HX is truly a combination of strength and beauty. MSI is always committed to providing the best and most premium experience for our users or gamers. Hope you like and enjoy the video. That's a wrap for the Raider 18HX tutorial. We'll see you next time.